everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so excited about today's video for several reasons. For one, it is the first party that I've ever had published, which is a huge deal, and that's why I'm just now sharing it with you guys. I actually shared the DIY a while back. It was a Dollar Tree DIY where I did a golf themed centerpiece using golf clubs from the Dollar Tree and balloons from the Dollar Tree. So if you guys have not seen that video, I will definitely link it down below. So I'm super excited to share the entire party with you guys. It's turned out so amazing, and it was for my nephew's first birthday, and the theme was a hole-in-one. So I just absolutely loved the theme. It was so unique and it challenged me on so many different levels, and it got published, so I was really excited about that. So before we hop into today's video, I wanted to kind of have a quick sit down to answer some questions that I've been getting a lot in emails and other communications that I have not had the opportunity to answer yet. So I definitely wanted to answer a few questions. And the first one is about Luxe Academy. And so you guys know that I'm an event planner, and I also love to do home decor, and I love all things luxury. And so as part of my I guess my initiative to teach others, I started Luxe Academy last year, and it turned out so amazing. Things went over so well, and a lot of you guys expressed a lot of interest in getting into event planning and knowing exactly how to start, knowing exactly how to build your inventory, how to build your businesses. And so I offer 3 different types of classes. Now, the first class is a live webinar, and this is actually how I got started. And it will take place on Sunday, June the 23rd. I will leave that link down below. And what I will do is go through the basics of setting your business up step by step. And that's the live webinar. So I will use like some type of platform like YouTube or a private Facebook group or something like that to do the live video. But I will link all the information to register for that class down below. The second option that I have is a pre-recorded self-facilitated class. So it's one of the live classes that has been pre-recorded with the questions and answers and everything. You can take this one at your own pace, any day of the week, any time of the day, as long as you have access to a computer. So the first 2 options are both online. They're both virtual learning facilities, or both virtual classroom. So either one of those classes would work for you all if you are not in Alabama, or you don't plan on traveling to Alabama for whatever reason. For the third option that I'm getting ready to share with you, the first 2 options are great. The first one is a live webinar. You interact with me face to face. You can ask all the questions that you want to ask right there, and I will be very open and very transparent with you guys. And I have like a gazillion of testimonials from people who have taken my class that have given me really constructive feedback, and I'm sure that some of those will be down in the comments below as well. So the third option is a hands-on class, and this is where we put together a actual live event. So the one that I'm going to be doing this quarter, so I do 4 a year of the live classes. So it's the spring, the summer, the fall, and the winter. So this one is going to be a combination. It's going to be a bridal shower and a birthday party. So my first one was a wedding. The second one was the baby shower edition. And actually the unique thing about this one is that you'll be getting 2 for 1. We will be doing a bridal shower and a birthday party. And it's hands-on. You will go through setting up the centerpieces, setting up the backdrops, and what we do in the live webinars as well. And you'll get all the materials and all of the tools and materials that you need to do the class. They are included. So you're definitely getting way more than what you're actually investing. And that's because I wanted to make it affordable. I wanted to make it affordable for everyone. So that's that. That's called Luxe Academy, and I will link that down below. The next thing that I wanted to talk about was the Luxe Box. And this is a tool that I have put together for event planners that are interested in getting into event planning, building their inventory, and they're not sure where to start or what to buy. I do elaborate on that more in Luxe Academy, but for this particular situation, I'm putting together different boxes for things that you'll need for your classes, for your clients, in order to build your inventory. And I also have like recipe cards. You can get them absolutely free. All you have to do is join our email list, and you can visit my website www.melanieturner.design to sign up. So with that being said, we're going to hop into today's video. It is my nephew's very first birthday party entitled A Hole in One. I absolutely love the way that everything turned out, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's hop right on in. So here is an overview of the room. We did have the party at Luxe Studio, and again, I did a separate tutorial on how we built the golf club themed centerpieces, and I will link that down below. Over to the right hand side of the room on the wood backdrop, we did an organic balloon arch, and I absolutely love the colors there, and you definitely can find those balloons at the Dollar Tree. And in the center of the room, we designed a chopa. Well, actually my friend Sharonda did, and then I added the organic balloon arch above that. And then just to carry the balloon and kind of equal all sides, we did some more balloons over the like drink table. So the dessert table turned out absolutely amazing. As you know, my friend Rachel over at Hot Mama's Bakery did the desserts, and I absolutely love the way that they turned out. I also found these really super cute golf themed trophies to mimic like the Master Cup. They had them out for Father's Day at the Dollar Tree, and I thought those were absolutely amazing, and the dessert table turned out so fabulous. It was something in the air. Let's get into the actual design. Now this was a 1-year-old birthday party, or first birthday party, so you know you want to use paper plate or either faux china for safety reasons. And I absolutely love, you know, getting these paper plates from the Dollar Tree and Walmart and mixing them together. And I also purchased some printables from Etsy that kind of customized the entire birthday party theme, and it was relatively inexpensive. And of course I used some picture frames from the Dollar Tree. They were actually silver, and I spray painted them white because they looked really like golf balls. Like the texture was like the texture of golf balls. And then the little paper straws and paper flags, I think I got the paper straws from the Dollar Tree, and the paper flags were also a part of that printable. And you can definitely print those things off at Office Depot or wherever your office printing services are. It's a lot cheaper than trying to print them at home, and the colors are so vivid as well. Now we also wanted to do like a special area just for the kids, and I thought this was so neat, so we decided to do like a little clubhouse. And in the clubhouse we had like the silver trays that you see at the Dollar Tree, the little small ones. They make perfect chargers for kid tables. And we wanted to use like the little faux greenery down the middle in order to keep that whole golf theme going. And I just thought that turned out so super cute. And again, I told you guys I love to layer the colors to bring in all the colors. So we used the baby blue, we used a light blue, and a Kelly green, and it all looked so good together. And then for the straws, you know, some of them had like his name, the number 1, and it just turned out so perfect. And I showed you guys how to do a balloon centerpiece like this one from a Dollar Tree video as well. I think I did like a plunger, and it was like an entire party using items from the Dollar Tree. So here on the party table, this is kind of like the little favors, and it just said thank you for coming. And then we also had like the little miniature water bottles with his name personalized on those, and also the little juices and the little birthday sign. And I just absolutely love the way that this all came together. And I just used a mirror to kind of reflect the dessert table across the room, and that was absolutely amazing. So here is the food table. I absolutely love, like, we did like the clubhouse theme for the food, and we had like chips, and we label all the different dishes there, and it just, and then I ran like the faux greenery grass across the bottom just to add like some more texture, and I absolutely love that, the way that turned out. And for the drinks, my niece Gabby, who is like, maybe, I think she's 10 now, but what she did was created like a lemonade and a sweet tea, and we had like the Arnold Palmer drink, which you know is like a golf name. I thought that was a really cute touch to the party as well. And so here is another overview of the space. So games for 1-year-olds is very difficult. So my husband came up with like the greatest idea. We took the storefront and turned it to a mini putt-putt golf course, and the kids absolutely loved it. Like, they stayed contained the entire party. It really kept them entertained, and we had so much fun. One of the other things that I really love is the way that we tied the theme in, and it simply stated the first birthday party, TEE, and I thought that was super, super, super cute. Because you know how you tee off with golf. I don't know. I like, you know, play different plays on words. It just makes it so much fun. And it's really great when you can just kind of carry the theme throughout the entire detail of the party. And that's one of the things that I'm going to be doing in my new class. We're going to talk about event design, from carrying the theme throughout every aspect of the party, how to do different centerpieces, and you know, how you tie that all together to just really make the theme fluid throughout the event. And I think that's one of the things that makes, you know, my event stand out as well. So just wanted to share that tidbit with you guys, for those of you guys who may be interested in table design, or you know, theme development, or you know, anything like that. We're going to be doing little mini classes on that as well. Don't break my heart. much for watching this video, and I hope you got tons of inspiration. If you're interested again on making those centerpieces using those items from the Dollar Tree, be sure to look down in the description box, and I'll also tag it in the comments as well. I'll pin it in the comments as well. So be sure to check that out. So if you're looking for ideas on how to make unique centerpieces, this would also probably work with baseball bats as well. So I mean, just keep that in mind. Hockey sticks, all those things, right? It would probably work to create a very, very different and affordable and substantial size centerpiece that still looks very nice and luxurious and doesn't look like super cheap or Dollar Tree-ish, right? I'm all for doing DIYs and things of that nature, except when they look like they came from the Dollar Tree. Like, I don't want it to look that way. I like everything to look very elegant and very refined, very sophisticated. Thus is the name of, why I came up with the name of this channel, Living Luxuriously for Less, because we still want that quality and we still want all those other aspects that we love. We just don't want the sticker that comes along with it. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.